Okay, welcome to step 10. Now in this video, we're just going to talk about here at the conclusion of your membership. Now, as the membership ends for each member, depending on when they started, you will want to continue to market to them. And the way you're going to do that primarily is going to be email. Now, throughout the membership, you should be emailing them on a regular basis. They should be on a schedule of getting an email every other day, every 2 or 3 days. However you tend to run your business, you want to make sure that these individuals are getting good information from you, even apart from the membership. Now, the membership should have great content. However, you should be still providing updates and help given the niche in subjects that come up that are current. Right now, once someone completes the entire process, you want to reward them. Right, you want to give them something that's going to, number one, help them to consider what it's going to be like to do business with you in the future. In other words, you want to give them an incentive by giving them access to a new product. Right? You don't want them to just stop paying if they like what you've done and they've stuck around with you to the end. Well, give them the opportunity to experience more advanced concepts. Yeah, because truly the person will have been with you for the entire time. They've proven that they desire your content. Now, what you can do is you can either build new membership sites. You can do this in new niches, right? You can do that horizontally, or you can do it vertically with more advanced concepts using the same model. So regardless, you're going to use the same model. You might raise the price, you might provide more advanced concept, but you can duplicate these sites because your job is really to market these sites. Your job is not necessarily to continue to do a lot of the things that marketers do when they are looking for sources of income. You just want to continue to produce these sites and market them. Because the benefit you're going to get from having completed the process is that you will have your entire income stream, or basically you'll have the entire production process set up in the first month. And you will be then trying to drive traffic to your sales page to determine what makes people buy. That's your real job. The content you source, you put that together, you construct a high quality site, you set your support in place, and really now you have to then go after the business. However you decide that you want to set up the traffic streams, whether you choose social, SEO, or whatever stream you choose, you just want to make sure that that is your primary focus. 80% of this business is the marketing. It's not the setup. The setup is something that you can do once you've gone through this video course a couple of times, or some of you will set this video course up exactly how I'm showing you how to do it. You will set it up as you go. And so once it's set up, then you will have the business in place and you will then be ready to start getting more customers to it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video or the next course.